Welcome to the wonderful world of reading. Learning to read basic sentences is an exciting adventure for kids. Let's get started on this fantastic adventure where every sentence is a new step toward becoming a great reader. The cat is happy. Let's read it again. The cat is happy. This is my car. Let's read it again. This is my car. My house is far away. Let's read it again. My house is far away. Mom is a teacher. Let's read it again. Mom is a teacher. She is a doctor. Let's read it again. She is a doctor. My cat can run. Let's read it again. My cat can run. He likes to play. Let's read it again. He likes to play. We went to the garden. Let's read it again. We went to the garden. I like to eat. Let's read it again. I like to eat. My big green ball. Let's read it again. My big green ball. I see a blue bird. Let's read it again. I see a blue bird. Mom has a Hamster. Let's read it again. Mom has a hamster. My brother is dancing. Let's read it again. My brother is dancing. The water is hot. Let's read it again. The water is hot. The bat can't fly. Let's read it again. The bat can fly. My pen is yellow. Let's read it again. My pen is yellow. It is a red bug. Let's read it again. It is a red bug. She is my best friend. Let's read it again. She is my best friend. Reading books is fun. Let's read it again. Reading books is fun. I like my school. Let's read it again. I like my school. Look at the small rabbit. Let's read it again. Look at the small rabbit. The chair is blue. Let's read it again. The chair is blue. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.